Welcome back to the channel, and we have some urgent news regarding Prosperity Gem Ventures. The Binance contract is shutting, it's closing again in the next 24 hours. So if you were looking to get into Prosperity Gem Ventures, this is your last day to do so on the Binance chain. Before we get any further though, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So I believe the reason this is once they basically cross this 30 million USD figure, they want to be closing deposits, which isn't all bad. We'll go through what is happening and all of those details in this video, so stay tuned for that. But my current earnings looking pretty good. I can do another withdrawal tomorrow, so my claimable reward will be around $80-ish from my $600 investment. Again, if you are looking to join, this is your last day on the Binance Smart Chain. So if we jump into the Discord, we have some extra details, and I believe the Discord link on the website should now be working as well. So in the announcements channel, there was a post literally 5 minutes ago. So from announcements, number one, Binance Smart Chain contract is to be closed down on the website for new depositors within the next 24 hours. Any new deposit via contract interaction will be refunded immediately, and the wallet address will be banned. So once they have closed it, basically they are going to remove the deposit button on the website, and any other, if you manage to deposit directly through the contract, do not do it, because once it is closed, if you do deposit, your wallet will just be banned and they will send your money back. So don't even try once it is closed. The Tron and Polygon network chains will remain open for new depositors until each of those two reach the $15 million total invested threshold. So if you are looking to get in and the Binance Smart Chain is full, you can actually still get in via the Polygon or Tron networks. Once Binance closes, I can do an in-depth video on the Polygon and Tron way to invest if you guys would like that. So drop a comment down below if you'd like those tutorials. But again, you can still get into Binance, you just have to do it today. All three smart contracts will be available for claiming until there is at least one investor left. There will be input of funds into smart contracts, so the usual claiming and full deposit withdrawal will be ensured. Access to the trading bot software. So this is something new. Instead of investing through PGV, they're actually going to be offering their own trading bot software. So access to the trading bot software that generates at least 8% daily rewards will be available within the next 30 days under the monthly subscription fee of $200. 8% daily rewarding trading bot access is more profitable than the 2% daily rewarding smart contract. There will be a Facebook group created in the next week regarding the trading bot software, and two-factor authentication process will be implemented in the next 24 hours. So Manny did a full in-depth 20-minute video basically going through the closer deposits platform and buying their trading software. So join the Discord and give this video a watch if you want more details. But for other news, they're going to allow redeposits after the cap has been reached. They will just not allow new normal deposits. So anyone who deposits new after the contract is closed will be immediately refunded and have your wallet banned. And by the end of the day, they'll be having 2FA on the site and closing deposits for the BSC contract. We'll have a lot of work to do updating everyone within the next 12 hours. So pretty much today, January the 11th, you need to get your deposit in if you're looking to join on the Binance Smart Chain. In terms of recompounding, you will still be able to do the redeposit / compounding your current earnings once the contract does in fact close. So don't fret with that, it's perfectly fine. They are just limiting or stopping any new depositors joining the Binance chain. So maybe that could even be a strategy moving forward. Look to redeposit / compound your investment. They just don't want any new depositors. I will have to double check. If you already have an investment, I think you're allowed to increase your initial deposit. If you already invested, if you join the Discord, basically they have tutorials on how you can do that. But if you're not already part of Prosperity Gem Ventures, today is your last day to join the Binance chain. So bear that in mind. If you've been looking to get in, maybe you've been not sure, you want to do a bit more research, today is the last day for the Binance chain. But yeah, compounding is perfectly fine. If you're already invested, this won't affect you at all pretty much. It's just for new users who have not, well, no people who don't have an initial stake already. You need to join. Today is your last day to join. And who knows, it might open in the future. It might not. By the looks of it, probably not, because again, they said about their own trading system. They're going to be releasing the AI trading bot that apparently generates up to 8% per day. So I might even try that out in a separate video if you guys would like to see that video. But until then, I'll keep you guys up to date with any news. You still will be able to join through the Polygon and the Tron network. So I can do separate tutorials on how to deposit through either of those networks if you guys would like. So make sure to drop all your thoughts in the comment section down below. And let me know, are you invested in Prosperity Gem Ventures already? How's your stake going? Again, this has been a really successful project so far. I've been in for quite a long time and my deposit is now up to 600. I'm thinking maybe to increase it to $1,000, or I can just recompound 4 or so times like per week, and then eventually this could get up to $1,000. So that could be another strategy on my end. But yeah, I want to say thank you for the support on the channel. Quite a busy day, because again, this is sort of some shock news that just happened today. Just wanted to make it clear to you guys that is the last day to join Prosperity Gem Ventures Binance Smart Chain. I'll put like an asterisk, because you can still join on Polygon and Tron. But if you're looking for the Binance chain, which is the main chain, and I personally would recommend, because each chain uses its own contract balance, and the Polygon and Tron, they're growing, but the Binance chain has the most amount in there, so I feel like that's the one you want to be getting into. I will still be covering PGV updates. Again, once it closed, I know last time it's closed, it wasn't really my place to share the Discord stuff because that was technically private. So I will share as much as I can publicly on this channel. But again, join the PGV Discord. It's just at the bottom of the page. I believe it wasn't working before, but now this Discord invite link actually does work, which is pretty nice. So you can join the Discord, keep up to date with any announcements in there. Again, I'm sure PGV creator, also known as Manny, will do some more announcements regarding this new chapter. Again, the 2FA will be added soon, which is good because they had some problems with people's wallets getting hacked, etc. Yeah, we can see 2FA authentication process will be implemented in the next 24 hours. And yeah, I'm interested to see the actual trading bot software, which is a $200 a month subscription, but they claim it can pay up to 8% per day. Well, at least 8% per day. So that's really interesting stuff. We'll see how that one goes, but thank you for watching. I hope you did enjoy. Have a nice rest of your day, and I'll see you on my next video.